it is Jay here. We're going to be doing a water and cornstarch experiment. We got our food coloring here, guys. It is going to be an amazing science experiment. Comment down below a science experiment and drop a like on this video. Alright, now we're going to use 10 parts cornstarch and 1 part water, which means if you want 10 cups of cornstarch and you need 1 cup of water. But we don't have that much cornstarch. We're going to use 1 cup of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water, which is exactly 1/10 of a cup. Okay, guys, now we're going to be pouring the cornstarch in. I've got it on my cup. Alright, now we're going to add the tablespoons of water. I'm trying to get a tablespoon here. Got, well, 1/2 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon. We needed 1 more because I put 1/2 because I dropped the other one. Okay, now we're going to mix it all up. Oh, I think we need more water. Yeah, we definitely need more water. Alright, so we need a lot more water because this is still only cornstarch. Lightly pour some in. It's still not forming. Wow, we need more. This is a fail. Well, we're gonna have to do something else. Oh, wait. Oh, it's forming. Oh, it's actually going. Man, we might need more water. Alright, so what I've been doing is mixing it up for a long while. I'm gonna add the last little bit of water because we need it. How come this side isn't getting any? I'm confused, but this is what it is. When you add pressure, it's a solid, but when, look, if I do that, it's a liquid, but when I go like, I didn't get anything on my knuckles, like, it's really, really weird. Huh? Like, if I made it into a ball right now, it's a solid, but when I go like that, it forms right back into a liquid. It is an insane experiment. So we're back and we're gonna add some food coloring, and I'm gonna make anything I can with this, with the fork. My assistant's gonna drop a few drops of food coloring in, of red and green to make a purple-ish color, if we can get it there. So, I don't know if this is actually gonna work. I'm trying to make it purple, but I don't think it's working. So, now it didn't make purple, so now I'm just gonna make it into this cool design. I'm really trying to get a swirl. Yoink. But yeah, this is gonna be amazing once I get it all good. And look at that. That is cool. That is super cool. Like, really, really cool. Okay, so now we're trying to get it all good, but this is how it turns out. Do-do-do-do. Alright, we added some more red and to try to make the purple color, and my fingers are totally red, like, it's amazing. So we got it to the purple consistency we want it to, but now I'm gonna try to make it into a ball if I can. I just need to keep pressure to it and it won't turn into the liquid, but it might take me a little while to get to this ball because it melts exactly in your hands. Oh, it's weird. It is super weird, guys. It is really weird. Alright, so, the reason that this is in a solid state and not its liquid state is because the water molecules get trapped in the cornstarch, making it a solid, but when you don't put pressure to it, it turns right back into the liquid state. Alright, now this concludes this science moment. So I'll see you next time. Like and subscribe to this video, and see you next time. Bye!